The rising cost of living can force you sometimes to overburden your pocket with loans. It may solve financial issues for the time being, but eventually then they are to be paid back. Paying the interest rate on each loan is highly expensive, but it is not a cross that you have to bear. There are ways to overcome the rising costs of debt. Cheap debt consolidation loans are a way to start from. More than one debt can lead to a very difficult cycle of unmanageable finances that is hard to break. Cheap debt consolidation loan is a loan taken to repay various pending loans like credit card debts, educational loans, utility bills and unsecured loans. You barter your various debts for a single cheap debt consolidation loan. Make sure that debt consolidation loans are reducing the cost for the various loans. The success of debt consolidation depends on what loan types you are consolidating. Debt consolidation for credit card debts will always prove cheap as credit cards have high interest rates, while student loans debt consolidation would not be as beneficial for student loans already have lower interest rates. Cheap debt consolidation loans are an assortment of financial rewards. The benefits with cheap debt consolidation loans: the reduction in monthly payments, the decrease in interest rates, the single payment for multiple loans, the consolidation of credit card and utility bills, avoid bankruptcy, getting out of debt faster, no more dealing with numerous loan lenders, saving money. There are a number of debt consolidation loan lenders online. With research and persistence you can find a lender who offers debt consolidation at cheap rates. Cheap debt consolidation loans are subjective, so when you see cheap interest rates, they may or may not apply to you. Cheap debt consolidation loans depend on the loan amount, loan term, type of rate, variable/fixed, and any related fees. Cheap debt consolidation loans are meant to reduce the cost of unsecured debts and to pay off the loans in shorter time span. Make sure your cheap debt consolidation loans are obliging to these requirements. Collateralization is basic to finding debt consolidation loans at cheap rates. This security or guarantee is given to the loan lender so that in case of non-repayment, this property can be used as a source of paying back the loan. With collateral, you can get debt consolidation loans with cheap interest rates as it reduces the risk for the lender. Collateral is generally in the form of real estate, vehicle, or any other valuable assets. Usually real estate and vehicles are taken as collateral cause their value is easy to determine. A non-repayment episode would mean that you might lose your assets. If a borrower can't transcend other standards, then cheap debt consolidation loans without collateral is also possible. Credit history has a good share in finding cheap debt consolidation loans. A good credit score can spell wonders for someone who is searching for cheap interest rates for debt consolidation. However, that does not mean that bad credit debt consolidation is not available at cheap rates. Loan lenders do understand that someone looking for debt consolidation might already be having credit problems. There are debt consolidation loans available at cheap rates for those with poor credit history. There are loan lenders who particularly deal with subprime borrowers. You can easily get quotes for cheap debt consolidation loans from various loan lenders. You will get different quotes for the same collateral and money required, thereby making it easy to compare. It will be easier to pick up the cheap debt consolidation deal that will serve value for your money. Debt consolidation is viewed as a positive effort universally. The fact that you are making an effort to repay your pending debts means that you will make an effort to repay your cheap debt consolidation loans also. Cheap debt consolidation loans are a way to attain a financial status where one can again claim to be free of debt. Debt can help you with finances, but an overburden of debt will anticipate difficult times. Unpaid debts are an indication of unresolved financial problems. Take heed of it and take adequate steps for its elimination. Cheap debt consolidation loans are a way towards it. It implies that they not only assure financial well-being but will have restorative effects on your general life as well.